Right, there is all our pre-shading basically done, but we're actually going to sort of add another colour to this. I said I was going to sort of follow the recessed rivet lines, but I've kind of decided against that. What I'm going to do actually is just kind of do in between the lines. So let's just sort of bring you in. I mean, in between the lines, it's just like nice and easy here. You know, I've got this colour, which is our 71125 by Vallejo Model Air. Like just a simple brown, sort of like a nice sort of medium colour brown, and this is just going to add a little bit more to the weathering of the spray. And you know, we're just going to be getting in close to the same sort of mixture as we did with the black for the pre-shading, so we can get in close. But this time we're just going to sort of do lots of sort of squiggly patterns right inside all of our panels. Right, now it doesn't matter if you go onto the black's too strong to really sort of cover it up. Right, so don't worry too much. Again, you don't have to worry about being neat. As you can see, I'm just squiggling kind of all over this model. Right, and as you can see, that is just going to give us, you know, sort of like some nice interesting bits when we actually put our main colour on top. Right, now we're going to put on our underside colour. Now what you'll probably notice is that, yes, I haven't technically done the top. I mean, I did a bit of the top because I had a bit of black left, but when it comes to the pre-shading, I'm going to be doing one colour one side, right, and then I'm going to do another colour the other side. I don't do the other side straight away because I know that when I spray the bottom, it's going to go overspraying onto like our top pre-shading, and then I've got to sort of like redo the top pre-shading a bit. So I kind of just leave the top unless like I've got some spare black paint and you know you're going to do an area that isn't going to get oversprayed. So we've got our brown on here, and as you can see, it's going to make it a little bit more interesting. Just to note, when I do the top colour, I'll probably go for like a darker brown, only because the top colour is going to be a darker colour than the bottom colour. Right, so the colours for this build, right, I've done quite a bit of research on this. We have bottom side, the instructions say light grey, but it's FS36440 for the bottom colour, and the colour I've found for this looks like a good match is Vallejo's 71121 light gold grey. Should be a good colour. The one I've got for the top, I'm not too sure. I'm going to do a bit of testing with it, but it's supposed to be grey blue, which is FS35189. I have found this, but I want to test it. It is their Vallejo Model Air. Again, it's their 71109, this UK blue kind of thing. Again, I'm going to sort of test that, see how it looks. Hopefully it'll be all right, and if not, I'll do a bit more research, because I do believe AK Interactive does a nice match if you check their colours out. But I haven't got any of the AK, what is it, their real colours in.